Bitcoin 1 million by 2025 January. You want to know about this and about the last information in the crypto world? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max, with your host for the most here, Rodrigo Arnedo. And we can see in Bitcoin chart that yesterday, Monday, was a good day, but today we are going down, we are going south. And why is that? Well, of course, we have no idea whatsoever, but you can see that we were so close to this line, the 25 moving average. And if you consider that the last time we did something like this, right now might be something similar, well, in that case, we should study what's going to happen with Bitcoin right now. And here with TradingView, I have this speculation. Of course, this is not financial advice. I'm not expert, but who knows what might happen? Maybe this. And if that's so, if we follow the same path we did from the moment we lost that line, it will take us a month, something like that, to break again this line. Maybe not, maybe it's faster, maybe we need more time. But if we have the same situation, well, 26 days, and then we will break this line again. So we expect a flat period of time right now, and then we will go back again. How high can we go? Well, you can see here that we might be on May just above the 100K. That would be awesome. But also, I'm considering that maybe we are going to be a little bit longer now flat. If that's the case and we start going up later on, we might be around June in that 100K, which is awesome anyways. And this coincides also with, of course, this crazy theory we have about the Mondays in the green. Remember, right now, the weekly pattern that we are following, in our opinion, is this one here. So we are in the second one. This is the green Monday, and today and tomorrow it's going to be red days and quite a bit flat, and then we will start going up again. Again, if we follow this pattern around May, and May 1st of June will be above 100K. Awesome stuff. Also coinciding with this chart that I abandoned, but now we rescue. This is the parallel channel that we invented some time ago. And you can see how in the middle we have some action. Also, here's the bottom, here's the top. And we almost touch it precisely where then we bounce again in this weekly chart. So maybe we need to bounce a little bit more, and then this is the base for that next leg up for Bitcoin. Why not? Also, you can see how awesome was 2023, all this period between the white lines. And why not? We're going to have similar action price in all 2024, maybe. So we told you about halving and how this might affect Bitcoin price. We told you the best strategy in the last video, so watch them all if you want more. But today we focus on some other indicators, like for example, the RSI. And here, Titan of Crypto telling us that Bitcoin is striking similarity with its second cycle. Looking at the monthly RSI, it seems that Bitcoin is replicating the price action and momentum it had in March 2017. Back then, RSI printed 3 consecutive peaks in the oversold territory. RSI just printed the first peak, so up only. That might be the idea. You can see here the chart and how we are doing something similar. If we go 2013, it was also quite similar in these 1, 2, and 3 points. 1, 2, 3 in 2017. Now we are up for a 1, 2, 3, 2. Maybe so. If we go to TradingView, you can see that yes, we are precisely at the point we were in 2017 here. And after that, we went all this way up, just following this RSI oversell action. And that will bring us beyond $1 million. Yes, I said $1 million by January 2025, which is awesome. It's crazy. It's beautiful. Due to this chart, this is the possibility. We'll see if this is the case here on Crypto News. Remember to smash the like button if you like this kind of information. And you have to consider some good news that tells you that that might be a possibility. Like, for example, here with HODL 15 Capital, Bitcoin is a zero sum since ETF launch. What's the idea? The idea is like since the launch, 1 of October 2024, we have minted 90,900 Bitcoin, sold by GBTC Grayscale 314,963, and Bitcoin sold by everyone else, it would be a net of 175,265. But you have on the green Bitcoin bought by Mr. 100, we know who this is, 22,757. Bitcoin bought by MicroStrategy, that would be 25,096. And Bitcoin bought by the new ETFs, the 9, it's 533,275. So you can see that, yeah, the liquidity crisis might be here. Also, yesterday, really interesting thought, we had a net inflow of $62 million. And today, after the halving, we have only 450 Bitcoin mined daily. It takes less like 30 million to buy all these 450 Bitcoin at current prices. So we have an inflow of 62 and we have in the daily just 30 million. Well, you can see that they have to buy the rest from other sources, exchanges, etc., etc. But it's not just the liquidity crisis I'm focusing in. Also, all the adoption and all the people that maybe in the past were not into Bitcoin, but now they are. Like, for example, some politicians. Here we have the president to be, Kennedy Jr., saying that he is going to put the entire US budget on blockchain. Every American can look at the every budget item in the entire budget anytime they want, 24 hours a day. We're going to have 300 million eyeballs on our budget. That's something he said here in this place. So this is true people defending now Bitcoin. Like also, what about AMF? First BlackRock and now AMF turning positive of Bitcoin. What are we talking about? Well, we have this article where EMF is saying that Bitcoin has become necessary financial tool for preserving wealth amid financial instability. According to the AMF, residents of countries with restrictive financial regulations are turning to Bitcoin to move capital across borders more freely. This is awesome. Also crazy that the Financial Times that has mocked Bitcoin ever since it launched, now they're holding a 2-day summit on the future of Bitcoin and crypto. Everybody's an expert now, says here Bitcoin Archive. So some enemies in the past from Bitcoin right now turning gears. That's awesome. And more awesome is this bad news for SEC and Gary Gensler. Two SEC lawyers resigned after judge sanctioned regulator for gross abuse of power in crypto case. This is said by Bloomberg. The idea is that there's their protocol called something like debt box, and they use false information, false statements, and there's lack of evidence for what they did. So yeah, bad one for the SEC and Gary Gensler. We're so happy about that. And what about this? Venezuela to accelerate cryptocurrencies adoptions for oil sales to work around new US sanctions. This is something said by Reuters. So the idea here is that well, in this electoral process in United States, they are now looking again to Venezuela and they are asking for sanctions out there. So in Venezuela, they might use USDT in order to avoid those sanctions. Any case, it's really interesting also in the article that, well, they won't pay to United States those sanctions. We'll see about that. But they are going to pay into intermediaries because of the use of this USDT. So Venezuela, why not using Bitcoin? That would be really more interesting than using USDTs. With all this information, the market is today in the red. Dollar keeps there flat. It's not going down. We need that. Still some instability, volatility out there. The stock market going down yesterday in United States after a while, and today in Asia. So not a good thing. And remember, we are in an election year in United States. So if we consider the last time, we might go up. We'll see about that. But if we follow 2016, well, we might go up a little bit, then bad, and then we might go up again. January 2025, here with this prediction, we are not in the million, but in $150,000. It's not a million, but it's not bad. We'll see about all that. The bubbles are some of them in the green, some of them in the red. Volatility day that you can follow, of course, with dextours.io, link in the description below. The market keeps on being greedy today, and Ethereum following the market, still above the two most important lines in our opinion, this $3,000 line and the yellow line too. And what about coin tracking telling us? Remember, we are in a tax season, so you have to do your tax report in Spain, and you need coin tracking for that, of course. Link in the description below with a 10% discount. Start today, or it's going to be too late. But they told us what are those 10 best places to be if you are into crypto. The best locations for crypto-friendly countries. Part one, well, the first ones would be Puerto Rico, Dubai, Portugal, El Salvador, of course, and Malta. We'll tell you later on the next 5 ones. And what about our partners on Bybit? They have this special campaign with Iralo, 15 euros USDs. So go there and use it. You have the link in the description below. And with that, you are up for a 25 euros bonus if you are new also. So take advantage of both things. And again, take advantage of all the advertisements we create here in CryptoNews. Like, for example, we told you about Trezor. They were giving away these 5 Trezors, and we have the winners already. So go to their social media and check if you are one of the winners. If so, tell me. I will say in the channel, and you will be so happy, and we will share you being happy. But if not, well, you can go to trezor.io and buy your own cold wallet. Then on fanontheright.com, you have a lot of tutorials how to use it. It's awesome. It's the one I'm using right now. So no doubts about that, in my opinion. And with this, we go to the end of today's video, today Crypto News, with this cat, lovely one, helping us learning more and more every day. Like, okay, now you have to buy a cold wallet, and also you have to use coin tracking. Okay, thank you, cat. Okay, we keep on learning with you. Yes, and you can learn about AI with AI News. We have a new video just released yesterday, so go there. And if you want to watch more videos about crypto, no AI, well, keep here in Crypto News, where you have close to 2,000 videos where you can learn all about crypto, like, for example, this one with OVR, mapping the world and earning some tokens. We are researching already. Tomorrow we have a special video, so do not miss that one here on Crypto News. Fun on the right, Rodrigo Arnedo, health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!